Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, fashion with a little bit of a modern twist. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. All right, dolls, so today I am back with a shapewear video. And let me tell you, I have 5 different types of shapewear, different brands, different styles, just so I can give you a variety and you can see what you like and try it out. You all know how much I love shapewear. It is my jam and I will never stop wearing it. I honestly feel like I'm addicted to shapewear. I probably am. I've been wearing it over 10 years, so I think it's like set in stone that I'll be doing it forever. But all the shapewear that I will be showing you today is from Shape Secrets, who is today's sponsor. On Shape Secrets, you can find so many different styles and brands of shapewear, and they have top brands for Fajas. These are the brands that I use, so you know you're getting great quality shapewear on there. They have the perfect shapewear to match your lifestyle. Now, before I get into everything, I do always mention this in every shapewear video that I have had surgery. I had a BBL back in 2016, so it's been a while. And I did have to wear shapewear after that, and I've continued to wear it. But even before I had my BBL, I was wearing shapewear. I've been wearing it for over 10 years. I would use it for photo shoots. I would use it just in general where I would wear a shapewear to give me that curve at my waist. I've had experience with both body types, so I feel like I have that knowledge. No, I know I have that knowledge. I feel like it just helps to polish my look. I don't know if that's the perfect way to describe it, but it just gives me smooth lines. It enhances the curves that I already have. No, you do not need to wear one to look beautiful. Absolutely not. I like to wear it just because it gives me that extra confidence boost. Oftentimes, there's a lot of misinformation, especially when people are trying on shapewear. They tend to get the size too big. And I always say, if you can slip your shapewear on pretty easy, you didn't get the right size. You need to struggle, like I've struggled in the past. So at least I'm trying to get this over my hips.
The top?
Yeah. Okay. And that's because shapewear, it's supposed to enhance your curves and at times can create those curves. So you want it to fit more than snug on you. You want to struggle. You want to jump up and down to get into it. That to me is the perfect size. I will be showing you the before and after, and then with and without shapewear. That way you can see the difference. All right, dolls, so I am excited to try this stuff on for you. Hopefully, Jay's not here right now. He's on his way here, and he is gonna have to help me get into some of these, so bear with me. I'm going to be struggling for myself for a little bit, but hopefully halfway through he will come back. All right, dolls, so now let's get into this review and haul. So for the sake of this video and not getting flagged by YouTube, I am keeping this top on, and then my underwear are going to go underneath the Baja. I do want to know that your underwear should always go over your Baja, because then you're not going to be able to use the restroom. Alright, dolls, so I'm getting started with the Sunrise 211 BF Colombian tummy control faja, and how I put it on is I put one leg in at a time, and then I roll up the bottom where the lace is at, because the lace contains this sort of rubber, so the faja doesn't roll up at the legs, and that gets difficult when you're trying to pull this up and it's getting stuck to your leg. So definitely roll that up and then slowly start pulling the faja up, just leg by leg. And it is going to take some time because these are very, very well fitted and snug. And it's just going to take patience. Do not put lotion on when you're putting on a faja. So this is a trick that I showed last time. I use my hands and my fists to just scoop my hand in there and then scoop it up, and that helps push that faja around your butt so you can get it lifted, and it's much easier like that. So then once I get it to the area that I like, then I just pull these all the way up so that the seam can meet at the, I guess, the crotch area. So this is a size small, okay, you guys? My waist is currently a 30 and my hips are a 44. And now I'm just going to clip this all the way up. My chest tends to get in the way, so I always sort of just grab my t-shirt and kind of bite on it and pull it up. So that's why that looks weird. Look at it. I love it. I love it. And boom. As you can see, my waist is already much more defined than it was before without the faja. So here is the front view, and the straps are actually really comfortable. And this one I actually really love because the opening for the butt is really wide. It goes all the way up here and then all the way down, so you can really fit those cheeks in there. And here is how it looks with this dress. So the left side is with the faja and the right side is without the faja, and as you can see, it has defined my waist a lot more, and it's giving me a nice round perkier butt. And from the back you can totally see the difference. It's definitely changed the shape of my hips, and I also tried it with this dress as well. I think it looks great with a form-fitting dress. Sorry, I wasn't the left side, I wasn't able to zip it up all the way because Jay wasn't there. What I'm going to get into is the LT Rose Colombian waist shapewear. The reason I chose this one is because it does not have the clips in the middle, and the clips in the middle can get kind of annoying sometimes because in certain outfits or certain dresses you'll be able to see that, but this actually has a zipper on the side. So I failed to get it on myself, and I knew I would, so I need to bring in the big guns.
Me.
Mr. J. This is a medium. Most of my other ones are smalls, and I was able to get them on with just a little bit of struggling. This one's a medium. I need him to help me. All right.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2.
Sweaty? I'm sweaty, and then I have to roll it up, but
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Let go.
Yeah. Now you gotta do the front. We're gonna become a meme again. You got further than me.
I got it. Damn, baby.
It's because I've been sweating too.
Because the trick to this is you gotta roll it down
and pull up.
Cuff it. Boom, look at that. Gotta get in there.
See, he's a pro. He is such a pro at this already. I gotta move this up, and then it should be easy after.
Well, you're like.
So there you go. You could show your husbands, and he tells them how to do it, or wives.
So it's roll, you cuff, roll, and then it doesn't work unless you go. So see, roll.
See, he's got it down. Here, lifesaver. I was trying so hard earlier. My wrists were getting so tired. I can already hear all the people talking shit like, why would you do that to yourself?
You always gotta make sure you don't get the skin, because I'd rather get my own skin than her skin, because goddamn, it'll hurt her. That was a big deal.
Is it? Alright guys, so this is that one. If you don't have someone to help you put it on, I definitely recommend sizing up one size, a size or two. So this is a medium. It definitely felt like an extra small, and it's high compression. Like it feels like a rock. But damn, this one gives a lot of compression. The only thing is, my butt is too big for this, so it's giving me like a little double butt.
Sweet.
But if your butt isn't like too big, this will be such a good one. Because look how much it cinched me in. So even though this one doesn't fit properly, you can definitely see a difference. But from the side, it's giving me that weird double butt. Unfortunately, my booty is just too big for this one. But it definitely has such high compression, and I love the way it looks. If only I had the proper size. So I'll probably need to do a large and see how that one fits, because this is definitely one that I want, especially since the zipper is on the side. The next one I got is the brand M&D, and this is their short girdle Baja. This one does have the clips in the center. However, it has this fabric in the front that helps hide those clips. And this one I absolutely love because it actually has a zipper in the crotch area. And people were asking like, how to use the restroom? Or there are issues with the hole being too small in the crotch area to use the restroom. This one, look at this. Look at this big hole. I know, something so weird to say, but when you're looking at shapewear, you always want it to have an opening at the bottom. This is one of my favorite features in this Faja. This one reminds me a lot of the first Sunrise Faja. They're both very similar, except this one has very thin straps. I do think the Sunrise one gives me a bit more compression, and I do like how it shapes my butt completely. This one leaves a great shape, but the opening mesh area isn't as large. But I love the thin straps because then you have more options to wear this Faja, more dress options to wear the Faja with. But here it is with this dress with the Faja and this dress without a Faja. Again, my hips are just more rounded. My waist is a bit more cinched in. You can really see it with the leopard dress. I just really love the way it looks, and it actually is pretty comfortable. The next Faja is the Sonrise. I believe it's Sonrise, but no, that's completely wrong. It's Sunrise. I filmed this before I knew. I'll show you. Sonrise Faja, and this is a high compression, but I really love this one because it's a lot shorter than the others, and it does have that sticky gel at the bottom, so it does not fold up. But again, this one has the clips in the center. This one you will be able to see slightly through, but the compression on this is amazing. I love it. This one just features an opening at the bottom. It does not have a zipper, so that's a little bit of a bummer. What I love about this shapewear garment is that the legs are a lot shorter on it, so you can wear it with shorter dresses as opposed to the other ones that are a little bit longer. It does make a difference, and I didn't experience any rolling, and as you can see, it does give me a shape. It doesn't shape me as much as the Sunrise one. I honestly think Sunrise is my favorite one. But it still does give me that slight curve, and I love it. It does perk my booty up and make it round, and from the back it just looks really great. You can really see the difference here. And then the last one I'll be showing you is a tummy control cincher, and that is the LT Rose waist cincher, and that is this one right here. I honestly go through these things like nothing because I wear them when I work out or when I'm cleaning around the house or just when I'm doing nothing. So these cinchers always take a bit more muscle power to zip up, and I usually have an issue because my waist is a lot smaller and or shorter. My torso is shorter, so sometimes I have difficulty finding the right size. This is slightly long, but still definitely something I can wear to the gym, wear around the house. I do have some bulging here, but that's pretty much to be expected, especially with the weight gain and just not having a full body faja on. So that is my shapewear try on haul for you today, my loves. Let me know which was your favorite style. Be sure to click the link in the description box below and enter the code 05PinUpDoll for a special discount. All right, dolls, I love you so much. Thank you for your support, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.